Have you ever wondered where you can find best websites to watch anime for free? In this video, we're gonna break it down. Alright, the first website for watching anime for free is Crunchyroll. Easily one of the best for anime. Huge library, a simulcast straight from Japan, and generally legal. If you're serious about anime, this is basically the Netflix of anime. Second website, Funimation. Alright, Funimation is similar to Crunchyroll, but with a stronger focus on dubbed anime or English voiceovers. If you hate subtitles or just prefer dubs, this is your jam. The last website, Tubi TV, free streaming platform with ads, not anime exclusive. As you can see right here, Tubi is the largest free movie and TV streaming service in the US. So fortunately, and I'm in the area that doesn't serve Tubi. So Tubi TV is not anime exclusive, but has a decent selection. Think of it more like casual option for animation fans who don't want to pay. So just a heads up, while Crunchyroll and Funimation are top tier legit platforms, Tubi TV's library is limited and can't compete with the first two if you're after hardcore anime. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.